Hello students, so this is a continuation of 6.3 and it's the third exercise. And so it says your cat is looking down 54 degrees at a mouse. He is on top of a 14-foot wall. How far is he from the mouse? So let's draw the wall. Something like that. And so the kitty is right here. Please don't judge my my cat. The whiskers. Okay, and he's looking down. So if he was looking straight in front, it will be like this. Okay, and let's say that the mouse is right here. Okay, but then he's looking down at the mouse. Pretend that's straight. I brought a, oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Okay, at a 54 degree. Okay, so this is 54 degrees. And the wall is 14 feet tall. So if this is 54 degrees, we can see that in here we have a right angle. Right angle means 90-degree angles. And so if this is 54, what would the other angle be? Well, those are complementary angles. So if this is 54, how many more do I need for 90? Well, that's gonna be 36 degrees. Okay, and so now I'm able to find how far the cat is from the mouse. So what we're missing basically is this right here. Okay, so now that I have that information, I can figure out this is compared to my angle, this angle, this is adjacent. And this is opposite of the right angle, so that will be the hypotenuse. Remember that the hypotenuse is always at in the denominator. Adjacent is on top, so we put adjacent. And so what would that be equal to? Is it the sine or the cosine or the tangent? Well, right now we're looking at sine and cosine. So the adjacent over the hypotenuse is going to be the cosine. Okay, cosine of theta is equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. And so we're going to say that the cosine of 36 is equals to adjacent is 14 over hypotenuse, which is x. The easy way is to just flip these ones. Remember, just exchange them. I'm gonna leave some space in here to do it the old way. So x is equals to, we put the 14, and so we're sweeping or switching the x and the cosine of 36. Okay, and now we just divide. Remember that for the division, some calculators you're gonna put 14 divided by first the angle and then cosine. So it's kind of like a J. Okay, 14 divided by 36 cosine, and then finally equal. So what do we get? Again, remember, it has to say degree. If not, press the button until it says degree, because you might have it in rad or grad. So radians or grades. Let me see. For degree, again, you put 14 divided by 36 cosine and then equal. Okay, so the answer is x equal 17 point, and I'm just gonna round it to the 10th, so 17.3 feet. Okay, so this distance is 17.3 feet. Some calculators use a different form, and I don't have one right now that I can show you. The 14 is the same, divide is the same, but then these two switch. You press cosine first, and then the angle, 36. But something additional that you have to include is closing a parenthesis, because it opens a parenthesis. Okay? And so check which one gives you this answer, and that's the path that you need to use all the time. Except that in here sometimes it's going to be sine, cosine, or tangent depending on the problem. Okay, so now you're able to do 6.3, and I apologize that it's broken into two different parts, but have fun.